Alright, we're going to try and quick and dirty rod repair here. I've never tried to do this on camera, so the pressure's on me. As you can see, this is a double foot guide. That means that it has a foot going forward and a foot going back. Whereas this is a single foot guide. There's a even faster and easier repair for single foot guides that you can do sometimes to cheat. But we're going to try and cheat on a double foot guide. And if the cheat doesn't work, then we're just going to do it the other way. We're going to do it by cutting the threads off, but let's give this a shot. Now, one of the things you want to be careful when you're applying heat is you don't want to apply heat to the rod. So if you apply heat to the rod, you'll damage the resin that holds all the fibers in place, and you can very much